How to post YouTube link on Reddit. Go ahead and open up your Reddit application and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in here, you have to simply go ahead and tap on the create icon or the plus icon. You can go ahead and enter the title of your YouTube video, and right here you can just go ahead and write link below. At the bottom you will see this link option. You have to tap on it. To enter the link, go ahead and open up your YouTube application first and foremost. From here, you have to tap on the share option, then just tap on copy link. Next, open up your Reddit once again and paste the link where it says enter link. Then select the community where you want to post it. You can also add your own community right here. Once you have selected a community, you just have to go ahead and tap on post. And just like that, your YouTube video or the YouTube link will be posted. If someone taps on this open bubble, they will be redirected to your YouTube channel or the video, and they can just go ahead and watch it, comment it, or share accordingly. Isn't that simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.